Okay, so welcome to my Makerspace vision. This is my ideas for our library space that we currently have on my campus. So this is just kind of my thoughts through all of our reading and my experience with what a makerspace is. It's a place where our students are going to be able to come together to create, design, share ideas. It will allow for the creativity as well as some of the autonomy in this design process. Tools and technology are available for use, and there will be an adult available for assistance. There'll be another picture on the next slide. But in the makerspace room and storage, it's a small room. There are some supply cabinets, a whiteboard or dry erase board where students can document and write ideas, and then tables set up for students to do work, especially small groups, very small groups of students. And then there's the main library. It's a very large area. Um, So this, if you look over here, is the storage area. And so right here are the cabinets in which many of our supplies are stored. There is a whiteboard or dry erase board along this wall. And then there's some tables right along in here for small groups to work. Like I said, it's very small, not a lot of space. However, if and when our librarian wants to have mornings before and after school that we can encourage kids to come in and uh, work, design, build specific areas. There's a 3D printer table along this wall with a computer set up. This table is pretty large. It doesn't look large in the diagram, but it's pretty big. You could probably seat a class around this table. 15 to 20 students can sit around this table. And if you did have overflow, there's a smaller table, standard sized table here. And this is the entrance to our library. Now, this isn't the full shape because back over here in this area that I don't have drawn out is where the shelves are that students can check books out. But I was just looking at the area we would use for the actual makerspace. We could also set up a makerspace cart since we're only going to be able to utilize this space before and after school. This could let us check out as teachers this cart. We could load it up with different things that we want the students to work on. Um, it doesn't have to be set one way, um, or we could have multiple carts that could be checked out. And then we could bring those things into our classroom. Some of the things that we have available, we already have some Lego Mindstorm robot kits. We have Spheros, magnetic mazes, 3D printers, squishy circuits, makey, several other things we have for kids to design, create, build within this space.